Are you making these common weeding mistakes? Stay tuned to discover the 7 deadly sins of weeding and keep your garden healthy and beautiful. Sin number 1, ignoring the roots. Pulling weeds without removing the roots is only a temporary solution. If you don't get the entire root, the weed will inevitably grow back, often stronger than before. This is a common mistake many gardeners make. To truly rid your garden of these pesky invaders, you must dig deep and ensure every part of the root is removed. This not only prevents regrowth, but also promotes a healthier garden overall. Remember, a garden free of weeds starts with addressing the roots. Sin number 2, weeding too infrequently. Weeds can quickly take over your garden, stealing nutrients and light from your plants. Regular weeding keeps them under control. Sin number 3, over-relying on herbicides. These chemicals can harm more than just weeds. They can damage your plants and soil. Use them sparingly and responsibly. Sin number 4, tilling too much. This can bring dormant weed seeds to the surface and disrupt soil health. Consider no-till gardening methods instead. Sin number 5, neglecting mulch. Mulch not only suppresses weeds, but also helps maintain soil moisture. Ensure your garden beds are well mulched. Sin number 6, weeding in wet conditions. This can lead to soil compaction and the spread of weed seeds. When the soil is wet, it becomes heavy and sticky, making it difficult to pull out weeds effectively. Additionally, working in wet soil can damage the soil structure, leading to poor plant growth. Wait for drier soil to make your job easier and more effective. By allowing the soil to dry out, you not only protect the soil's health, but also ensure that weeds are removed more efficiently. Patience is key for a healthier garden. And sin number 7, not using the right tools. The right tool can make all the difference in efficiently removing weeds without straining yourself. Avoid these 7 deadly sins of weeding, and you'll not only save time, but also keep your garden thriving. Remember, a well-maintained garden is a joy to behold and a sanctuary for both plants and people. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you ensure that your plants get the best possible care, leading to a more vibrant and healthy garden. For more tips and tricks on keeping your garden at its best, subscribe to our channel. We regularly share expert advice, DIY projects, and seasonal gardening guides to help you cultivate the garden of your dreams. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.